Hello, I'm Sicheng Zhou. I'm presenting on the topic of Fast Prepare for USACO, Graph Theory Problem Walkthrough and Tips. This problem is a good preparation for USACO Silver and Gold Division. The idea behind it can also contribute to the Platinum Division. Here is the problem statement. There is a directed graph G consists of n towns and up to n times n-1 roads. John wants to travel from town 1 to town n, and then from town n to town 1. The first time John travels through a road, he needs to pay a payment. Road from town I to town j has a payment of aij. Compute the minimum sum of John's payments. N is between 1 and 10, and aij is between 0 and 10 to the 9th power. The first tip is to use DFS to enumerate the paths from 1 to n. This tip is important because you want to remember all the edges that you have been passed through. Because when you travel from n to 1, next, you don't want to pay another payment in those edges. So you want to remember the edges. The most efficient way to remember those edges is to record the nodes that you have been passed through, which are P1, P2, and all the way to Pk. You can push those nodes into a queue to record them. This DFS has a time complexity of omega n-2 factorial because k is at most n-2. The second tip is updating the weights of the edges. If an edge has been passed through, its weight will be changed to 0. This step is a preparation for the Dijkstra algorithm in the next step. The third tip is to find the shortest path from n to 1. In each edge for which John pays a new payment on his way from n to 1, he won't travel through that edge for a second time. Thus, the road's payments are fixed. So we can use the Dijkstra algorithm to find the shortest path from n to 1. When n is bigger, like n equals to 200, this solution won't work because its time complexity is too huge. To solve for bigger n, you need to switch to dynamic programming. If you want to know the details, you are welcome to comment below this video. Thank you.